What's up, my friends? Welcome to video number 68. And today I'm going to try to be spontaneous and talk about something random. I'm not really good at that, but I'm gonna try. It's a challenge of sorts to see if I can manage to talk about something without having a plan. Let's see if I can. Honestly, I just went through my list of topics, and as you know, I had a list of 60 topics or so. I had a few more than that, and I'm out of topics. I don't know what else I can talk about. I think the only thing left is basically to talk about what happened today or yesterday. Man, that's a lot of crickets everywhere. I'm walking here and they're all just jumping all over the place. Anyway, yeah, so basically from here on, I think I'm just gonna do a daily review of my day and talk about my thoughts about things that are going on, and basically unless I come up with some new topics, I think I'm gonna turn around and walk backwards now. Not backwards, walk back. So yesterday we did, it was Sunday, and we went on a nice hike on Tubbs Hill. The video should have been put out yesterday about that. Not much of a video, just a little snippet of it, and a bunch of photos I took. So when we go on these hikes, I like to take pictures of things that are interesting. And as you know, when you're walking in the middle of the woods, not much is gonna come up. But what I found interesting was to take pictures of trees and close-up pictures of their bark and just stuff that grows on the tree bark, like moss and all kinds of interesting designs in different types of barks. I know it sounds boring, but it really does sometimes look really cool when it's close up. You're walking through the woods, you never pay attention to the bark of the tree or little details like that. Normally you see the woods generally as the woods. Literally, there's so many crickets everywhere. They're just jumping in front of me all over the place. Anyway, yeah, so we don't go on hikes a lot, but when we do, I like to do that. I just did that twice, to be honest, but I really enjoyed doing it yesterday. You can only take so many pictures and capture so many things before it becomes all the same. So I don't know how many more episodes I will have of those. But what I did capture was interesting. I'm gonna go through the photos and post them on Instagram. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's at Valick with two I's, Valiik. So there was that. We went on this hike. Man, the Stubbs Hill is pretty nice. The hike is not extreme, so there's elevation up and down, you know, but it's not horrible. Like, it's not hard to walk. I'm not an avid hiker. I wouldn't say that I'm in shape for hiking, but the up and downs over there are pretty decent, where you feel like you're getting nice exercise, but it's not like you're not dying, you know. You're going up the hill and you're not dying. It's gradual. And there's lots of these little private beaches there on Lake Coeur d'Alene. I've never been on this hill before. Been meaning to for a long time, but never actually made it out there until yesterday. These crickets are attacking me. And then after we were done, we went and had sushi downtown Coeur d'Alene at Shiki Sushi Bar, or whatever it's called. Sushi Bistro, Japanese ramen, I don't know, whatever. It's called Shiki. And then we came home, and I continued to sew my patterns, or my what are they called? Panels, test panels for my custom seats that I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with. I need to order some fabric material to do some diamonds on, to see how that's gonna look, and do a little bit of different designs on it. Yeah. So that was my day yesterday. And then today, work. Monday, work. Went for a walk at noon. And then basically now it's evening, and I'm making this video. You are officially up to date with my life now. Well, I was able to make this 8-minute video and update you about things from my life, so I would say it was a success. And you're probably watching this on later this week, so I'm probably recording another video today that you're gonna see in a few days. Man, last week I was like 7 days ahead with videos, and this week right now I have one scheduled for tomorrow. I have 2 videos recorded that I need to publish, and then this one. So with these latest videos, the reason they're not going as fast is because I'm having to edit them, and they're not just shoot and publish. I need to make more of those. I just need to come up with some topics. Leave me some comments. Give me some questions that I can answer, or things I can talk about that you want to know about me, or things that I know about. Cars, web design, technology in general. above ground pools, um, being overweight, food, Russian cakes. Okay, I think I'm gonna be done with this video. Have a good one, guys. Bye.